This is really horrible. Look, they're falling. Oh, poor cows. Oh, this is kind of scary, but cool. It's raining. Aw, baby is totally anorexic. But they're pretty. Look, there's like 100 of them. There they go. Oh, they keep falling because the ground's really wet. It's really sad. I don't know if anyone's hurting them or if they're just going all by themselves. Oh. Oh God, one's coming right for me. You see that? Look at it. It's so pretty though. Oh, don't get hit by the car. Oh, poor cows. Look, there's 2 more. Well, looks like there's only 2 more coming and then we'll be done. Would you like to see them? Brownie. And dark chocolate. Oh, don't hurt the cows. Well. Oh God, that's awful. Oh. Poor babies. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, what a jerk.